Hi everyone, this is Handy. Today we will discuss how to cut holes in the right way in the curved surfacing. So let's start with add eraser. Uh, Rotate the bucket out the debris, looking like this, and we need to kind of start settling on it. I do 6 minutes time. Well, need to keep the line on axis, on the y-axis, like so. Now I will add a circle, like G, head, and bring him broad instead more maybe get C, get D, take it on, but not left through, and click it to make it editable, like to let's see, view and reading is mixed up about the me, and when copy fast, and now I have a cylinder was calling A, that to focus. You need to cut using spline. So select flip key and select Turkish sheet. I need to collect and select the faces containing the circle. The first one where on the photo set, on the photo set, on the photo set, and one more time. You add the pen directionally on the object and not make you to select the outline of those polygons. So it's 28. So in the 28 here on my spline. So now it's just for so you need to subdivide vector US. One more time US. We might have to choose, but I need just 28. So right click, round, and 28. Apply and go to space line and shape a type to linear. Now I need to project my spline or my cylinder. So project here, project, and shows that radius, apply, yeah, something like that. Now go to my cylinder and then create my purpose delete them. I don't need it anymore. I will use I will use the shaper as a guide. So being stood inner like so I don't need a business like subject editor. Uh, Control A. So select that cylinder through and click MP, not yet, and then section series by series. So now after I don't need select those object and select object delete. So that's surface and delete that surface. So we need to see if the normal finds or not auto pay. So they have that. We need to reverse normal. This here and select that and you are the reverse normal is the reverse normal. So I'm using the shortcut for modeling. So now we need to select all points and optimize it. That sector Windows spool, click them all, slide, or dot control. Easy example like that. Oh, cheesecake out or then got do got head, bro. That's support the cage. Select that. The group can be add this those spool. We need to we have with surfaces and smart surfaces. So you need to make it fine. So press next on C to bring my brush and change more cosmic to smooth. The fair cloud view up and then brush like that. So I have this problem here. So I need to fix it. So just go to the former on those shapes and shrink what. Now the target object it intrudes, so I need to blend my cylinder, the first one that basket there. So and for it can deliver surface 2 by 2 please button. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Matter. Hide it and bring the layer. Sorry to be angry just in our frame. It looks fine. Yeah. So click and point state to object. Look back. Hit there. Finish my work at noon. But click and E to load polygon hard. Later polygon and control. Make them black. Next T. Select the zero on your axis. Click the ideal circular one more time and you'll see the pull-ups. It all needs some footage, you know, the boss level. Sorry. I and the looking spine. That'll be my giving surface. Pull that it and it is. There we go. That's it. So if you like tutorial, just hit like button and subscribe for more. See you guys.